Early on, one of the biggest issues we had was just getting data to our customers effectively and quickly. The ability for us to get that data quickly was something that was very important to us. Get the data quickly and then get it to our customers quickly. And anybody that has customers that's on this call, we got paid quicker too. If we don't have the data in the final product, final deliverable to the customer, we're out months and months and months of revenue. So that was a huge issue for us. The other issue for us, Eric, was the quality of the data. We had a single person that was coding the data for us. And we didn't know how good each of our operators were operating the camera vans because we didn't have a comparison of what they were identifying. We brought one of our engineering partners in. We just basically compared the quality of the data, right? We compared what we identified, what our engineering partner identified, and what AI identified in terms of defects in the pipe. That for us was one of the most defining moments because we saw the absolute increase in accuracy. And I'm happy to say anybody that's a user of this platform knows that it's an incredibly impressive platform, and it gave us a serious separation between our competitors. We'd like to keep it that way. You guys are too good at selling it though. Once our team members were able to actually see how the data was coded and the accuracy of that coding, they adopted the technology pretty quickly. The ability for us to have a single place to store all of our data is incredibly important to us. It's incredibly important to our customers. The other part within Pioneer is the transparency of the work that we're doing, right? For our municipalities and our customers to be able to see what we're doing in their town on a daily basis is really, really important to us. It was also good for new employees, right? Because the time it took us to get a new employee into a camera van was shortened dramatically. We can get them in there within a few weeks of onboarding. Now with this added risk and rehab, to sit down with them and say, listen, we understand you have a limited budget and we understand that you're not going to be able to fix all of this, but let's talk about the ones that we need to. And we'll also develop a plan for you to take care of the stuff that you absolutely need to. And then as you get further on, they're able to obtain grants or developing loan funds, then we can help them, or at least we'll have the data going out from the engineering firm. Hey, here's the data that we have now. Help us build this project. We use it now as a key component of our sales presentation and how we service the customer. Moving forward, the best thing I'll say about your organization is you'd say, here's what we have now, but here's what we're doing next. And Seth just did that. And what I was fascinated about was that here's what's happening next always happens. Now, this is how we can use this moving forward. Here's how we can benefit our customers.